Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you my Strava app review. Is it worth it for runners and cyclists? So Strava, the app that's become almost a social network for runners and cyclists, but is it really worth it? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is Strava? At its core, it's a GPS based tracking app for activities like running, cycling and hiking. It records your distance, pace, elevation and can even sync with heart rate monitors and power meters. But what makes Strava different is the community. You don't just log workouts, you share them. Friends can give you kudos. You can join challenges and even see leaderboards for local routes called segments. The competitive and social element is what hooks a lot of people in. So now let's talk about the features. So the free version covers the basics. So this is activity tracking, sharing, and some limited segment access. But many of the advanced tools are locked behind a subscription. With premium, you get deeper insights like heart rate zones, pace analysis, long-term training trends, plus routes planning and exploration tools. There's also the beacon feature for safety, letting loved ones track your live location. But here's the catch: Strava Premium isn't cheap. It's about $12 a month or $80 a year, and not everyone feels that it's worth it. If you're a casual runner who just wants to track distance and maybe see your weekly totals, the free version will probably cover everything you need. But if you're training seriously, chasing performance goals, or love discovering new routes, then the extra data and features can add real value. So, who should use Strava? If you're a dedicated runner or cyclist, or you thrive on community motivation and competition, it's definitely worth checking out, and the paid version may be worth it too. If you're more casual, you might find the free version does the job just fine. So, to wrap it up, Strava is one of the best apps for runners and cyclists because it combines solid tracking with a strong community. Just keep in mind the free version is great for beginners, while premium is best suited for those training with purpose.